Slime Rancher is a life simulation video game developed by Monomi Park. It's about exploration, adventure, and the friends you make along the way. Scattered throughout the world is a variation of the cutest slimes. One of the first ones you'll meet is a pink slime, which, if you can't already tell by the thumbnail, has inspired this video. It's actually quite common, but it can be bred with other slimes to create cool hybrids. I've played through the entirety of Slime Rancher, minus the new updates, over on my gaming channel, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below to that playlist. But for today's video, I thought I'd try my hand at my first ever slime video. Only 12 years too late, but hey, I'm here. And if it goes well, I can make my way through all the different slimes in Slime Rancher. I tried several different recipes and went with borax because it produced the clearest slime. I don't think I've figured it out quite yet, so if anyone has any helpful super clear slime recipes, let a girl know. I started with half a cup of warm water and then added 1 cup of clear glue. I mixed it together and then set it aside and went ahead and added 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water, which is my solution. Mixed it together real good and then poured my glue water mixture into a large bowl and slowly but surely added the borax mixture until I got the consistency I was looking for. Next, I smushed up the slime real nice and good. It was pretty satisfying, but also quite a workout. I guess this part is crucial because it really plays a huge part in the texture of the slime. But whatever you do, don't put it on a table and knead it as if it's dough. That was stupid, Megan. Remember, I'm new at this. So finally, after hours of kneading this, okay, maybe more like 10 minutes, I finally got the slime looking the way I wanted it to. So I punched it a little bit just to let it know that I'm boss, and then set it aside in a container for about a week to let all of the bubbles get out of the slime and let it give me that super clear slime that I was looking for. Here's an example of all the different slime recipes I tried. My sister-in-law Ruby gave me an easy slime recipe that cooked up super quick, but it left all of the slime very cloudy. The one on top of that to the left is an Elmer slime recipe. It was actually a kit that I purchased from Michael's, and although it did produce a little bit of clear slime, all of the bubbles rose to the top, and after like a week of it setting, it still hadn't gotten rid of them, so it wasn't what I was looking for. The one with the green lid is a saline solution, which is very, very popular because people are kind of a bit afraid of borax. It did clear up and all the bubbles disappeared, but it still was a little bit too cloudy for what I was wanting. But the borax did give me the clearest slime. Before we can get started mixing all of the beautiful pigmented colors together, we need to create a safe little space for this slime to live in. I found these clear standing egg containers on Amazon and thought they were perfect for my little slime buddies. The seal is really tight around the edges, so I don't have to worry about any of the slime leaking out. To make the eyes and the mouth, I used sticky foam and these little cool pearl stickers that I found over in like the card section. I think they're meant for something that would go like for wedding invitations, but I hacked the mainframe and turned them into little slime eyes. Creating a stencil for the eyes and mouth was the easiest way for me to do this. I went through the darker pink foam and outlined all of my shapes and then cut them out with an X-Acto knife. The tongue was pretty easy for the light pink, but it is a little bit difficult to cut out. I use an X-Acto knife, you can use scissors, whatever works. And then I placed those bad boys in their specific spots along with the little eye glint, and boom! Look how easy that was! I made myself a little pink slime. Minus the pink slime. Oh yeah, we should probably do that now. I gotta be honest with you, I watch a lot of slime videos on Instagram, and I was so excited to finally do this. I ordered a couple different makeup pigments on Amazon and then went ham at Michael's with the glitter. Look that is gonna be a glitter bomb in this slime mixture, but I didn't care. It's my first video, go big or go home, am I right, kids? Easily the most satisfying part, layering all the different pigments and glitters on top of the slime. And as beautiful as everything looks, this was the point where I knew I messed up. Not entirely messed up huge, but to a certain degree, my slime was a little bit sticky. The saline slime had such a perfect texture, but it was too cloudy, and I was too picky. Thinking about it now, I need to go back and probably fix the recipe. Really hoping you guys come through in the comments so I can try out a new one. Right when I grabbed it, I knew it was just a little too thin. But everything did still mix together really well. And I'm not gonna lie, I lived out my best Instagram slime video dreams doing this. Once the slime was all mixed together, all I had to do was fill my little eggies, which was incredibly fun. Guys, I had too much fun making this video. And there you have it, Pink Slime Rancher slime. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you liked it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. It lets me know that you want more. Hit subscribe so you know when I post new videos, and leave a comment down below letting me know which slime you would like me to create next. And hit that sweet Taco Bell button so you know when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. Looking forward to seeing your guys' comments, and I will see you on Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye!